Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the cargo light bulbs in this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Both these rear inside lights are going to be the same procedure. We're going to take a trim tool. We actually sell these at 1aauto.com. You're going to slide in to the front side of the lamp, pull it out, and then pull this out. There's a little bit of slack on the wire, not much. And we can push this little button, disconnect the light, make sure this doesn't go in there, and there's the light assembly. We're going to remove the bulb. We're going to use these pliers that are specially made for removing light bulbs. You can buy these at 1aauto.com. Just slide in here, just grab the bulb, squeeze, and pull it out. This is a 194 bulb. To reinstall the bulb, just slide this in position and lock it in place. To install this, take the connector, line it up, lock it in place, just slide this lamp in this way, and then lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.